Here we have the Andonstar210S Pro. This is a digital microscope. And this is the unboxing. Alright, we have the manual, user's manual. Shows all the parts, shows how it goes together, the controls and the buttons on the display and the camera, a quick start manual section of it. It explains how to take photos and record videos. It talks about the remote control. Talks about the settings, setting on the display. It talks about output to external devices, HDMI output. It talks about the USB output. You can connect it to a computer. You can also connect it to an external monitor. And it has the warranty information. And there's a frequently asked questions section. Okay. All right. There's the display along with the camera in the back. That folds down, and then you see that it has the SD card, the micro SD card, and there's a USB-C connection and the HDMI. And you see the power button and various other buttons along with a adjustment here. We'll find out more about that. Okay, set this aside there. Okay, and we have the remote control. And we have a right-angled USB-C to USB-A cable. We have the biological, slides. We have the slide display. We have a wall wart for USB-A. A little package of parts for the base of it. We have a USB to SD card adapter. We have some threaded knurl nuts that are used for fastening the display, holding it in place. And we have an HDMI cable. off and light brightness, dimness cable that powers the lights, turns things on and off. I have a cleaning cloth included. Mount with the adjustments where you to mount it to the tube on the back, and you're able to adjust it up and down and tighten these thumb screws and make adjustments. So there's the base, and finally the tube that fits on the back. So you can see that right there. So here you can see I have it set up. We've got a little SanDisk, USB as our subject. This turns the light up and down. Plus we have the lights here. You can see we have those lights there. So turns the light down and up from surrounding the camera. That's a pretty good picture. We have our remote control. And we'll pull up the menu, grid line, date and time. Okay, go to menu, select language, English, yes. Frequency, 60 hertz. must be recording. Now it's showing recording. 10 seconds. There we go. Alright. Here you can see I have it connected to a monitor, separate monitor. External monitor. It seems to be showing pretty good. This camera, one thing I liked about this is it's 4K, 60 frames per second, and 10-inch display. So I mean, it has a good size display. You can connect it to an external monitor. You can connect it to a computer. You can live stream with it. You can. It's HDMI 2.0. And what's awesome about it is that it is the megapixels on it. The photo resolution is 64 megapixels. 64. This camera that I've got here, I believe, is only 16 when I'm videoing on. And so this one is got a greater resolution, and you can take better photos and things with this. So I mean, you can even see little pieces of fuzz on the board. So I mean, it's tiny. So, but this is all I got for now, and we hope to be doing some more little projects and showing some things online. We've got some other surprises and stuff in store. A lot of things that happened, and so that's all for now. KD5INM. Have a good one.